Do you know you can generate eye-catching and SEO-friendly thumbnails like these ones using simple prompts? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this.
Hello and welcome to this video. I am Emmanuel EOEnet. If today is your first time coming to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of this community. If today is your first time coming to this channel, I am basically a tech expert and I share my knowledge on tech. So let's dive straight into the video. So the first thing is you go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT. This one is generating image already, which I'm going to be using. So what we are going to do is we will go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT exactly what we want. For example, I will tell ChatGPT that I want to create a thumbnail. I just said I want to create a thumbnail for a video titled 100 Ways to Make Money Online. So in order to make ChatGPT understand what I want, I just added a quotation mark. So the title is 100 Ways to Make Money Online. So once you are done, this is just an example. This is not what I'm using. I'm just giving you an example so you can use your initiative. You know what you want to do based on your niche or your video you are making. Once you are done, you click send. ChatGPT is going to generate a catchy image prompt for you. You see, it's generating thumbnail image prompt already for you. So now I'm going to use this one also just to show us. So, but let's go with the one I have generated already, which I have copied. So I'll just go straight to this website, go to Google and type image FX. So this first one, you can see labs.google. You just click on it. So it's loading up. All right, this is the website here. So in this page, I'm going to paste the copy of my prompt which I want to generate. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this point and then paste my prompt which I generated. Let me read it for you. A vibrant pizza-style digital illustration of a young African-American man around 35 years old, smiling confidently and holding a smartphone up to the camera. On the phone screen, it clearly displays $365 received in a gold glowing green notification style, so on and so forth. So I'm just reading the text for you so you know what you want, you know the video you made, how you want your thumbnail to appear. So once you are done with that, you can click on this place, this setting here. You can see setting here to check if you want a landscape that's best for thumbnail. You choose this one. If you are using it for something else, you can also change it there. So once you are done, you click back here to bring it back to normal and then you click on create. So I'll click on create. Let's allow our image to create. Don't mind this one displaying here. So I'm going to cancel it. So the image have been generated and it has given us 4 options. So we are going to look at it to see the best one for us. So I'll click on this one. That's the second one. Then you can see there are some errors anyway. So we check the one that best fit what we want. Like this one now is good. This one is also good. We can as well use any of them. So once you are done, you click on this point here to generate your image and sorry to download your image, and that is that. So if you know you don't like this image, you can as well use the prompt you generated from ChatGPT to generate your image. So you can just tell ChatGPT, like this one now, you tell ChatGPT, since it has generated a prompt for you, just tell ChatGPT, okay, go ahead and generate the image for us, and ChatGPT will generate the image. So that is how to do this. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Remember, I am Emmanuel EO. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.